Have you ever stared at a math problem and felt like your brain just shut down? Or maybe you've spent hours studying formulas, only to forget them during the test. If that sounds like you, you're not alone. And today, I'll show you why that happens and how to fix it for good. Let's start with the biggest enemy: fear. Many students freeze up when they face a hard problem, not because they can't solve it, but because they're afraid to even try. Fear of being wrong. Fear of looking stupid. Fear of failing. These feelings are real, but they're also fixable. Here's the truth. Making mistakes is part of learning. No one gets good at math without getting things wrong first. What you need is a growth mindset. That means believing that you can get better with effort, not that you're just not a math person. That belief alone can change everything. Too many students try to memorize math, formulas, steps, rules. But the problem is, if the question looks different on the test, everything falls apart. Instead, aim for understanding. Don't just memorize the quadratic formula. Know where it comes from. Understand how completing the square works. When you understand, you can adapt. That's what problem solving is really about. You don't need 5 hours of studying. You need 30 focused minutes. Try this: 25 minutes of full focus, 5-minute break. That's called the Pomodoro technique, and it's one of the most effective study methods ever. Struggling in math doesn't mean you're not smart. It just means you're learning. Most students give up too early. They think a bad grade means they'll never get it. That's just not true. Math is a skill. Skills are built with time and effort. So if you've been stuck, discouraged, or overwhelmed by math, I hope this video showed you a new path forward. Let me know in the comments, what's the biggest thing you struggle with in math? And if you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Math Academic, and share it with a friend who needs it. Interested in online math classes? We offer personalized math support for school students and exam preparation, IGCSE, O-level, and more. Message us on WhatsApp at 07667346682 to learn more and join Math Academic today. We're happy to help you build confidence and master math, one lesson at a time.